I'm giving you a quick and honest comparison between Binance and BingX in 2025. If you're trying to decide which crypto exchange suits your needs, stick around. So what's the difference between Binance and BingX? Binance is a global powerhouse in the crypto world, offering a vast array of services including spot trading, futures, staking, and its own blockchain. It's known for its low fees and extensive coin listings. However, it's not available in all regions, and some users have raised concerns about its regulatory status. BingX, on the other hand, is a newer player but has quickly gained popularity, especially in Asia. It offers spot and futures trading, copy trading, and a user-friendly interface. BingX is available in more regions and is often praised for its customer support and educational resources. What I like about Binance: low trading fees. Binance offers competitive fees, especially for high-volume traders. Wide range of services, from staking to NFTs, Binance has it all. Advanced trading features, ideal for experienced traders looking for in-depth tools. What I like about BingX: user-friendly interface, great for beginners and casual traders. Copy trading, allows you to mimic the trades of experienced traders. Global availability, accessible in more countries compared to Binance. Now the downsides. Binance, some users report complex verification processes and occasional delays in customer support. BingX, while it's growing, it doesn't yet offer as many coins or advanced features as Binance. Which one is better? If you're an experienced trader looking for a comprehensive platform with advanced features, Binance might be the better choice. But if you're new to crypto or prefer a simpler, more accessible platform, BingX could be more suitable. If this comparison helped, give a super thanks by hitting that heart icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews. See you in the next one.